Hey, Scott here, Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for coming back and joining us. And we're out here in the shop today. I got the tractor in here. I'm not working on that today, although I'll probably need to. I'm really not working on it. I'm just getting the car back together so I can get it back on the ground. I've got the front wheels, got all the wheels up actually. I need to get the front tires back on it and get it moved back over into its bay because I need to get the Jeep in here. I've got a friend's Jeep here that I need to do some work on, so I need to make some space for it. We wrapped up the barn doors yesterday, but I still have to grade out front out there. It was snowing this morning. It's all gone now. It is cold. It's all wet. I'll show you. This is what it looks like. So we got a little bit of snow, nothing major. Outlet had some big snowflakes this morning, but it snowed for, I don't know, an hour or two maybe. Nothing major, but I need to get the mower back in undercover. This lift is going away. I've sold it. They just haven't come pick it up yet. And I would like to get the excavator in the barn. And I can get the excavator and the tractor and the mower in the barn. I just don't have a place to put my truck though if I do that, so just juggling everything. So I gotta get the tires back on this, get it on the ground, get it moved over so I can get the Jeep in here and work on it. And then I really would like to get on the excavator and do a little bit of work on that today, leveling out in front of the barn so I can get the tractor and the mower in there easier. Right now it's a mess. So we're gonna jump on this car, throw the tires back on it, get it on the ground, moved over. So hang tight, we'll get started here. So this is my 73 Z28. It's got a, I think it's a 571 blower on it. And I had to replace the starter in it. That's why it's up in the air. This car is tubbed. It's got a full tub on it. Got some wide tires in the back. It's full roll cage inside, tied into the subframes. It's got a fuel cell in the trunk. It's what they call a Pro Street. Streetable car. Bzz, bzz. Gotta find a battery. We're back. I'll get this on the ground and I'll take a 4-way and make sure those are all tight. They probably are, but I like to double check. Okay. All right, let's get the back down. There we go. She's on the ground. Okay. Now we're gonna get the front end moved over. Well, crapola. It's too low to get the jack under there. I need my other jack. We just need a little bit. That's it, that's enough. Yeah, there we go. Yep, just a little bit. Okay, wheels come off the ground. I don't know if that's going to be able to move or not. Let's see. Okay. I don't know if this will move or not. I need some dollies. That's what I need. I think it's probably too cold to start. Pretty sure. I don't think I can get this turned enough to move. Let's see. All right, get started. Yeah, what I need is a couple of car dollies to get that moved. Outdoors. I'm back out here this evening. I got the dollies in for the car, so I'm gonna get this car moved over tonight so I can get the Jeep in here. So hang tight, we'll get set up to do this. So this kit I got from Amazon, I don't know how you pronounce it, KEDSUM transport dollies. They're really heavy duty. I mean, the package itself is probably 70 pounds, but looks pretty robust. It's got brakes on it too, which is nice. So we're gonna get this car put up on these dollies and get it moved out of the way. Okay, there's two of them. Okay, let me go get the blower and blow this concrete off so there's no obstructions when trying to move this. Let me go get the blower. I'll be right back. Alrighty, let's get these back wheels up on. Okay, everything is up off the ground. Let me blow one more time. Right. Yeah, they just said that you needed to make sure you had clean floor before you rolled it. So I guess those wheels don't get stopped. So let's see what we got here. See if we can roll this back into place. Oh, look at that. Holy cow. Wow. Okay. Yeah, maybe I should have got those a long time ago. So that rolls real easy. What I don't know is if I can leave them on there. I'm not sure. I like the idea of being able to roll it over here closer to the wall, but then roll it out when I need to get up on there. I'm not sure about that. Wow, that was nice though. I mean, that just rolls easy. And it's got these brakes. Yeah. Okay. Mission accomplished. I think I'm gonna get it covered up and let's go get the Jeep and bring it down here.